Hi, thanks for joining us today. I'm Lok Trung, Senior Director of Product Marketing at Recurly. Today, my colleague Eric Hawley, Senior Product Manager, and I will showcase a new pricing model called ramp pricing, which is all the buzz within subscriptions, mainly because it helps you acquire new customers, retain existing customers, and build more loyalty around your brand. Let's dive in. So, why did we decide to add another pricing model to our already extensive list? Because of this stat here. Based on a recent McKinsey study, pricing was the most important reason for a new subscription signup, and it was also 50% more than the next reason. Not surprisingly, price is the most important reason subscribers choose to cancel as well. And this stat was from our recent 2022 Endemic Impacts and Trends study. The good news is Recurly offers one of the widest pricing models available to give merchants numerous options to test offers and cater to their diverse customer preferences. Now, we're going to walk through this, but fair warning, I'm going to go through these fairly quickly. But if you're interested in learning more about these pricing models, please visit our documentation at docs.recurly.com. First, you've got fixed or fixed recurring, which is the most common subscription model. It charges a set amount upfront on a recurring basis. The next three we'll discuss is what's considered quantity-based. The first one is tiered. Tiered charges for each unit based on the price of its corresponding tier. Then you've got volume, and volume essentially charges all units based on the price of the highest tier reach. And then the last quantity-based pricing model is stairstep. Stairstep charges a fixed price based on the highest tier reached. And hopefully these examples are helpful to understand how each of these pricing models work. The other pricing model is what's called usage-based, which is also referred to as metered or consumption-based. It charges a variable amount determined by usage measured over the billing cycle, typically in arrears. And lastly, of course, you've got one-time pricing. And as the name indicates, this is a one-time charge that's non-recurring, such as a setup fee or to buy equipment. And this now leads us to why we're here today. You can now add ramp pricing to your plans and subscriptions. What is ramp pricing? Essentially, it allows you to create plans and or subscriptions that can dynamically increase or decrease based on defined billing periods. So, for example, let's say you're looking to acquire more customers. You can set a lower entry point, for example, $4.99 a month for the first 6 months. And after month 7, it'll increase back to $9.99, the regular price. Or if you're looking to reward your customers and subscribers for their tenure and loyalty, you can set the price to go down, meaning that for the first year, it'll be $199. And after the second year, it can decrease to $149 a year, rewarding your subscribers and making sure that they stay longer with you. Let's now talk about some of the features and benefits. Real quickly, to summarize, one, it's really easy to set up, modify, and manage. Within the plan creation steps that Eric's going to walk you through, you can customize the different billing periods, up to 12 different intervals, day, weeks, months, years, and it's really intuitive. 2, you can configure or tailor your own communications to notify your subscriber if the price is going up or down in well advance. Lastly, you'll be able to measure the plans with ramp pricing to understand its effectiveness to decide whether you want to convert all of your plans to ramp. And there's plenty more. Now, I'm going to hand it over to Eric, who's going to dive a little deeper into what ramp pricing is, some of the features, capabilities, and also a really slick demo.
Thank you for that intro, Locke. Hi, everyone. My name is Eric Hawley. I'm a Senior Product Manager here at Recurly. To dive into the details, Recurly offers ramp pricing, and ramp pricing offers flexible configuration for you to set up a series of step-up or step-down pricing on your plans and subscriptions. You'll have to create new plans that include ramp pricing, and these could apply to those new subscription signups to that plan. The price change is set at a specific dollar amount, and if you want to calculate percentage, you can set that as a specific dollar amount as well. Subscriptions can use the default pricing from the plan or set unique pricing on each subscription. Plans can have up to 12 different ramp intervals configured. Ramp pricing is supported with free trials and pauses where the pricing schedule continues coming out of a trial or in and out of a pause. You're able to configure ramp pricing schedule using all the different currencies that are enabled on your sites. There's also a new email template to communicate with your customers of upcoming price changes. We understand that there may be mandated regulations around customer communication from different card brands or from different regions. We've also enabled reporting within Recurly through our analytics and our exports so that you can measure and analyze your plan performance and understand that if there's a certain ramp interval where the price increases or changes that is causing churn, so you can make adjustments to your prices and reduce that churn. Let's get into a few of the details. As we mentioned, ramp pricing can be a step up or a step down. And in the use case of step up pricing, the goal is to acquire more customers. This is a great tactic for merchants in the target verticals of digital streaming, digital publishing, e-learning, and B2B SaaS. The example of an introductory price offer where a customer signs up at $2.99 for 3 billing cycles, where after 3 billing cycles, the price ramps up to $5.99 for 9 billing cycles, then to the regular price of $9.99 for the duration of that subscription. In the B2B world, having step-up pricing will allow you to generate more revenue. You can set contracts where the price increases 5% after year 1 and 8% after year 2. In either scenario, you're able to configure this rate pricing schedule in Recurly, and Recurly will take care of the rest. You don't need to come back in and manage the pricing schedule, the pricing changes. Recurly automates all of that for you. Another use case is offering step-down pricing in order to retain more customers. This is great for merchants in the vertical of e-learning or B2B SaaS. An example is where a new customer comes in at an intro price for $24.99 for the first year and renews at a lower price at $19.99 for the following year. And the renewal rates continue to drop, rewarding those loyal customers by decreasing $3 every year to the baseline price of $9.99. In the B2B side of things, step-down pricing allows you to convert more deals, where a contracted amount can increase 5% after year 1, but then decrease 3% in year 2. Again, this is all automated within Recurly. In order to use rate pricing, you must be on a Recurly Pro or Elite plan. So if you are on a core plan, you'll need to upgrade to a Pro or Elite plan in order to take advantage of this functionality. You must have only bill what changed and credit memos enabled on your sites, and rate pricing is supported via API v2, v3, the Recurly app admin UI, on our hosted pages, and via a new email template. Let's get into a live demo and look at specific configuration of how to set up those plans. So let's create a new plan with, let's do step up pricing first and create that scenario that we were looking at earlier. So I'll create a monthly plan, and I'm going to select ramp pricing as my billing model, and I'm going to add 2 more ramps. And the first ramp interval is $3.99 for 3 billing cycles. The next ramp interval is $9.99 for 9 billing cycles. The final price of $19.99 for the duration of this subscription. And you can see that is reflected here in the plan summary, giving you an at-a-glance view of the plan configuration that you're setting up. Ramp price change email is also configured and enabled on this plan. And I'm going to go ahead and create that plan. Now I can go to an account and add that subscription. Here it is, step up pricing. And you can see on this subscription, that billing configuration is already set up on the subscription. But if I want to change that, I could say the second price is going to be lower because this customer was coming in through a certain marketing promotion, as an example. And so this subscription, while it's in the same plan, is going to have a unique pricing schedule. And then I'll go ahead and add that subscription. And as you can see, this account now has a billing period that's in progress at that price of $9.99. We've got a couple more billing periods at that intro price, and then the price will automatically step up through the pricing schedule that's set on the subscription. Let's create another new plan with that step down pricing. And this is going to be 3-year term. And I'm going to go ahead and set the pricing where the pricing is $500 for the first billing cycle. And then the price steps up to $700 for year 2, and then steps down to $350 in year 3. Go ahead and create this plan. And again, I can go ahead and create a subscription to this plan. And I could also, again, modify this subscription where the price schedule continually decreases year over year and sign a subscriber up to this subscription. And again, Recurly will take care of these prices changes on your behalf, making it easy, streamlined, and simplified for you to operate your business. As mentioned, there's also a new export where you can export rent pricing, the rent pricing schedule, and understand where your customers are at in their pricing schedule, and then also understand where customers are leaving and make upstream pricing adjustments. With that, I'm going to hand it back to Locke. Obviously, please reach out with any questions. The Recurly product team always loves to hear from customers.
Thanks, Eric, for the rent pricing details and demo. That was incredibly easy to set up, modify, and manage the plans. We hope you guys are really excited about this new pricing feature. And thank you again for viewing this video. If you're interested in learning more about Recurly and our products and features, please check out the other videos or visit us at recurly.com. Thanks, and hope to see you again soon.